Useless Workshop, where today we got a Range Rover Sport 2014 model L494 chassis. Now this car came in to enhance the security, and is an aspect that we cannot stress enough how much difference can make to have the vehicle more protected. On this particular one, we've done more than one thing. We installed an aftermarket alarm system. If you look in our account, you'll see there's another video about this type of alarm system that we installed. But what we're going to talk about now is the Ghost Immobiliser. We've said it many times in our previous video. Ghost is one of the best products on the market when it comes to vehicle protection, to upgrading the protection of a car, the immobilizer protection of a car from standard. We're going to talk you through. So basically, this Ghost Immobiliser, what it means, because probably you've heard it many times, but you don't know what it is a tiny device the size of a nail that gets installed in the car, and it can be installed at in any location. So very hard for someone to guess where exactly it's been installed. And if the installing is done properly, in the past we've seen some bad installation, but if it's installed correctly and is isolated, it will be very hard to be found by anyone. So if you come inside, just going to talk you through the way that it works. At the moment, the Ghost system is activated, and what it means, if someone gets the key or even clone the key, will be able to get in the car, will be able to switch the ignition on, but this is about it. So everything that it does is only brings the ignition on. There's no warning lights. No one will know why this car is not starting at the moment. Now on some cars, the engine will start, but the gears won't engage, or when they'll engage, the engine will cut out. It varies depending on the make, model, and the software written for that particular car. But on this one, if the Ghost is activated, just ignition comes on and nothing else happens. Now, as I said, this Ghost, it can be anywhere in the car. Very difficult for someone to guess. And in order to disable the system, there's a code that has to be input from buttons on the either steering wheel, windows, center console. Again, depends from one car to another. And there's a combination of buttons from 4 presses up to over 20. So you can make a very, very long combination. Literally, I would say impossible to be guessed. Now the combination that we've done here, just for the purpose of showing the way it works, it's a combination of 8 buttons to be depressed. So the flappy pedals, we're going to show. So you're going to put a code, and then we're going to have an indicator on a dash, and that indicator would say that the Ghost has recognized the code and is going to authorize the car to start. Is basically going to allow the communication network to work correctly. So just going to put a code in. The indicator will flash now. So the Ghost has released the immobilizer system, and it allows the vehicle to start. The beauty of this system is that it's so user-friendly, so easy to be used, yet it's so effective, impossible to be detected and to be bypassed. Definitely one of the best solutions when it comes to vehicle upgrade security. We've installed many. Range Rover is one of the cars that they could definitely do with this type of upgrade, but pretty much all the cars with keyless technology, it's a product that you should consider. So here at Car Key Solutions, we do car keys as the name says, but we also offer custom solutions for vehicle security. As we said earlier, we install a custom alarm system for this particular car. There's a video that you can see. We install Ghost Immobiliser, van security locks, protection on catalytic converter, steering lock, many items. So if you have a car or a van that you think you want to upgrade on security, or you have some concern with the security system, or you just need a key, get in touch. Here in Car Key Solutions, we offer all those services under one roof. Thanks for watching, and we wait to hear from you.